Still making normal, boring websites? Today we will build this beautiful Glassmorphism website using only HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no framework, only pure front-end magic. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Dialect. In today's video we are going to build a modern Glassmorphism website using HTML and CSS. In this project you will learn what is Glassmorphism, how to create glass cards, how to use blur effects, how to create gradient backgrounds, how to make a modern navbar, and how to design a professional landing page. So open VS Code and let's start. First, let's create our project structure. Inside the project folder, we'll create two files, index.html for structure and style.css for styling. We are using only pure HTML and CSS in this project. No JavaScript, no frameworks. First, we created the basic HTML structure. Inside the body, we added a background section with 3 circles. These circles will create the colorful glowing effect behind our glass container. Then we created the main hero section. Inside the hero section, we added a navbar with logo and menu links. After that, we created 2 main parts, one text section, where we have heading, paragraph, and buttons, and one glass card section where we show premium UI card design.
Tighter, this dynamic says it all.
Look at this. Now the UI looks premium. See this hover effect. Look at this. See this hover effect. Now in CSS, the most important part is this. This creates the real Glassmorphism effect. RGBA gives transparent background. Backdrop filter blur creates the frosted glass effect, and border gives a shiny glass edge. Then we added box shadow to make it look premium. After that, we created floating circles with CSS animation. Finally, we added hover effects and responsive design.
Confessions of dejection and despair, when some great rapture is lingering in the air, I feel like jumping in your blanket, I feel like climbing in your cave. Your flesh attracts me like a magnet. Your cunning traps me like a cage. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. And just for once,
See this hover effect.
stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of
Look at this.
we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our nose.
This is why Glassmorphism looks futuristic.
At our fingertips.
Now the UI looks premium. This is why Glassmorphism looks futuristic. And that's it. We successfully created this beautiful Glassmorphism website using only HTML and CSS. You can use this design in portfolio websites, landing pages, agency websites, and modern UI projects. If you learned something new like this video, subscribe to Coding Dialect and comment Glass UI below. In the next video, we will build one more advanced front-end project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.